Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how to make YouTube shorts using Canva, and it will be a step-by-step updated video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you want to create eye-catching shorts without complicated editing software, this one is for you. So first of all, you just need to start a shorts project for you. So first head over to the canva.com and log in and just click on create a design, or you can select a customized shop like customized size, and you can type YouTube shorts also to get the size from by default. So here I will search for YouTube shorts, and here I will find out a couple of templates already present here. So I will click over here, and here actually you can see. So I will click over that place, or you can go with any of them. So it's totally depend upon you. Canva has a built-in shorts template with the perfect vertical size 1000 to 80 by 100, like 1920 pixels. Click that and you will get a blank vertical canvas ready to design. So if you want to make an Canva blank vertical canvas, you can just click over here and it already been done. You can change the color if you feel to change it here. So it's so much easy. Now you just need to come over here and you just need to add video or elements. Next, you can upload your own vertical video to use Canva free videos and graphics. Like let's say we are going to upload a video from here. So I'll click over here and I will select my video from that place. I have a couple of videos, so I will select one of them from that place. So I think this one will be quite good. So I will upload this one and it will take a couple of minutes. So once it's done, then I can easily place it here. Hi everyone, and you can see it already been added here. This is the video. So you just need to upload your clips, and you can go to the elements to find stock videos or animated sticker and text it. You just need to drag your video or image onto the canvas. You can add text by clicking text, pick a style with your headline, and adjust font and colors. Keep your text big and easy to read on mobile. Like this way, you just need to click on the text and then place it here. Like I'm going to add subscribe. As I did, now you can change the color. If you feel to change the color as it you want, then you can change the font also. Like let's say this one will be my font, or I can choose this one. This one is quite good. Then you can add further more things. You just need to go to the effect and you can add outline. It will be the quite good one to get your text clarified. Then you can add animations here also, like this way, or you can add this one to this one, and you can reduce the intensity if you have the premium one. Now you just need to add the music and animation to make it more engaging. You just need to click to the audio on the left to write royalty free music. So you just need to drag your music onto the timeline below. You can trim clips, add simple transition, and use animate to make text pop in your cool effects. Let me give you a pro tip that keep your shorts under 60 seconds. YouTube shorts must be vertical and less than a minute. And once you feel that all are complete, when you are happy with your short, you just need to click to the download and choose mp4 file and hit download, just this way. And you can see already been enabled, and you just need to select your product here, like select my page, and I will download it, and that's it for today. How you can make YouTube shorts in Canva fast and free. This is the easiest way. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel.